Alpha Technologies is proud to show you the best solution for upgrading your network while reducing your deployment and maintenance costs. This video introduces the concept of remote power feeding over the traditional existing copper pairs.
Internet has changed our life. Starting from basic web pages, it has more and more features and many multimedia content. This takes a lot more bandwidth.
Customer should never see loading pages, otherwise he becomes impatient. He would want to change provider.
Speed. Speed with the best quality of service.
Today, it is a requirement for all providers. In order to improve your bandwidth, the best option is reducing the length between the last active equipment and the customer premises. Usually, a central cabinet is providing connection to buildings through a small street cabinet, which contains passive connections block. The length of the line is unfortunately very long.
The main idea is to add active equipment directly into the last point in the street. Unfortunately, active equipment needs power. Between 60 watts to 120 watts following numbers of connections.
Installing active equipment in the street is expensive and time-consuming. You need to open streets and connect your cabinet to the AC network with skilled technicians. You have to accommodate with the planning of the AC provider. You would also require authorizations of the community.
This costs a lot of time and money.
The power solution will consist of an AC-DC converter rectifier, a DC distribution, a battery for backup. As you want redundancy, you need to add a second rectifier. All system needs to be monitored and battery lifetime must be managed. Finally, in many countries, a certification is also required before starting your brand new equipment. A regular verification will be also requested. When you look on a bigger scale, this kind of network upgrades needs a lot of work, time and authorizations. It is too expensive.
But you still need to improve the deployment speed in order to keep your customers. Here comes Alpha Technologies with a cost-effective solution, the remote powering.
It consists of using the free telephone lines to transport the power needed at the remote sites to power the active equipment. So, there is no need anymore of an AC network inside the cabinet. This removes the cost of the AC power solution, the battery backup, the time needed to get the AC connection, and its associated costs. Verification.
With our solution, no battery is necessary inside the remote site.
You earn money over maintenance and installation.
The power is provided directly by your established network of copper lines. The solution uses the new free line that you have liberated with the active equipment.
You just need to add a small device inside the cabinet in order to get DC power. This simplifies a lot the installation of all your sites.
Alpha Technologies produces many down converter from 60 watts to 1.8 kilowatts. From 19-inch rack to small free cooling sealed version, coping with extreme remote site. The size is studied to give you space for equipment that generates revenue. Finally, you are only using your standard copper line without AC power. You don't need a safety approbation of higher authorities. Your telecom technicians can do the network upgrades without other parties. You can plan and do the network upgrade as you want.
Deployment is easier, faster and cheaper.
Let's see at the network level what is happening. We move all DC systems from remote sites to the central office, or to the existing AC street cabinet. Redundancy of rectifiers and batteries are not needed. They are remaining in the central office or in the existing street cabinet. Your system is used at the right rating so the energy conversion is even more efficient. Remote sites receive energy through the existing telephone lines. Power is monitored from the central office or the existing street cabinet. You spare money on the remote site installation and maintenance, while providing quickly broadband to your customers.
Alpha Technologies allows you to have the right balance between time, money and speed for your broadband projects.
If you have technical or commercial questions, don't hesitate to contact us at support@alphatechnologies.eu. Thank you for watching.